Is it safe here? It's kind of making scary noises. Holy shit. Oh, there's loud stomping noises coming from inside. Ah! Okay. I will open this door, even though there cannot possibly be anything good behind it. Come on.
A guttural scream and a succession of quick bangs rattle the door.
Yabby, yabby, yabby.
Then a low moan. Someone or something is having a bit of fun.
Oh! I mean, it's quite rhythmic. Eh?
Go away!
Eh? Are you having some private time right now?
Leave it. Whoever's inside doesn't want an audience, and I don't want to fight.
I open it anyway. Very curious I am. Oh. No! Oh my! That's a big lady! I want... No, I don't want to join it. I did it! No babies for you!
Put this behind us.
No ugly ass babies for you! Okay. What'd you say, guys? Was this worth it? I think it was worth it for at least watching that cutscene.